Hello, I'm Fashion Printing Changsha. Today we came to Qingdao, Hangjinding. Let's take a look at the very popular models currently. 32-head kyocera high-speed inkjet printing machine. What about this machine now? It is such a device newly produced by Hangjinding this year. This device is very bright. I believe that many users of printing and dyeing factories will be particularly interested in it. First of all, let's take a look at the current device. It uses 32 kyocera high-speed nozzles. We can see that this device is currently 2 passes. He can actually produce a pass. 2 passes are fine. Then it is currently on the customer side that 1 pass high-speed printing can be achieved. It can go for 150 meters an hour. Such a very high capacity. What else? We can see the color printed on site is very beautiful. We ray using paint ink. It's an 8-color scheme. Then just now our engineers also talked about the equipment. It can support such a multi-color gamut of 8 colors to 12 colors. Printing in such a field can be configured according to the needs of customers in the printing and dyeing factory. Here, you may be more concerned about the kyocera nozzle, because the print head represents a possibility for the implementation of this device. What about this crystal porcelain head now? The DX600 nozzle is currently used. This head is Hangjin tripod. In this nozzle, it adopts a non-destructive, such a water-cooled method. Make sure that the entire color printed out is stable and consistent. In addition, there is a very large number of printing and dyeing factories who are very concerned about the moisturizing and protection of this nozzle. What about the maintenance of this nozzle? Through such a moisturizing of Hangjinding, a lot of effort has been put into this piece. It can be powered off or during holidays. Everyone can go on vacation. You can ensure that his machine is in a normal moisturizing state. Then come back after the holiday and turn it on again. The printing is normal as new. Make sure he nozzles a very stable, a brand new production model. So this moisturizing has put a lot of effort into Hangjinding. Such an automatic moisturizer of the nozzle, a long-lasting moisturizing aspect. This is also a very important improvement it makes. What else? Let's take a look at this again on safety production. It took a lot of effort on this one. You can see this yellow one here. I can put my hand in here. Then in order to ensure the production safety of such a printing and dyeing factory, you can reach out and stop in such a state. And we can see that the 32 heads of this device are printed like this. But the scene can be very quiet. So it can achieve silent high-speed 1 production. What else? Let's look at this device again. The one on the front has a 3-stage drying, plus such a scheme to print the whole. It's very economical in terms of the overall footprint. Now many printing and dyeing factories are under pressure with rent. That's what rents are getting higher and higher. That's very much for this kind of economical equipment finishing solution is very necessary. We can show you the whole device. Plus a 3-stage drying. The entire footprint is very economical. This can ensure that the printing and dyeing factory has a more efficient production. This is a 3-stage drying process. In this way, we can achieve a drying in the early stages when we come out. What else? Printing and dyeing factories must also care, because the printing and dyeing factory needs to achieve high-speed production. So is this equipment capable of supporting wovens? Whereupon such a retractable cloth. Let's take a look. The back one. This retractor. This supports large volumes. Telescopic. All are compatible, can support. Just now, I also heard that a customer of Hangjinding told me. One of their customers is a children's clothing manufacturer. This design of children's clothing is this wear-upon fabric. Now this wear-upon fabric. Their children's clothing likes to use this paint very much. After this plan is printed. And then through this laser cutting. Then the clothes are made very quickly. Realize this personalized solution for this very fast coating. So today, we are very much looking forward to the equipment of Hangjinding. And then finally, what everyone is most interested in is the price of this device. I'll just give you one more thought. Let's go back here. What about this device? New, because now it's 2025, and the New Year's is coming. So what about Mr. Wang of Hangjinding? Also give everyone a special benefit before the new year. If you are interested in our equipment. Now there is a very welfare price. $128,571 is enough to get you to carry this 1.8 meter device home. What if it is a friend who makes home textiles? I want to go up to 0.6 meters. Don't worry. What about the 2.6 meter equipment? Now $135,714. I can take you home. Easily achieve high-speed digital printing production. Let's wait and see. Come on.